Guy they freed from the prison transport.
Mother's little helpers. Give me my goddamn warrant.
Nothing's coming up under my key other than discount mufflers.
What's going on?
Thought I told you to go underground.
Nate reached out. They're in some survivalist bunker outside of Woodbridge Forest.
Great. You gotta set up a meet.
Well, and then what happens?
They killed 3 people in cold blood and they're straight line back to this club. What the hell you think happens, Piney?
Let's talk to Trammell. Fed's got a warrant to rip this place up.
Oh, shit. Cabin, now.
What the hell do you think you're talking to?
Relax, relax.
Get out of here.